I'm hungry. We might have to make some scrambled eggs, team. Emma's got fresh eggs. Yeah. Although you guys don't appreciate my microwave scrambled eggs. Yeah, microwave scrambled eggs are fine. They're totally fine. I'm not joking about it. They're totally good. They're really good. Yeah, microwave scrambled eggs are totally great. What the fuck are you talking about? What do you mean, what is wrong with me? Alright, we're doing this. Oh, we're doing this right now. Fuck you guys. Alright. Okay. We has microwave. No, we're good, we're good, we're good. Right, how many eggs do you put in your scrambled eggs? Five? 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 What the fuck? Right, we'll go with 3. 4 to 6? Bruh. You guys are actually disgusting. 4 to 6. Right, don't hate me for this. I'm going to prove something to you that you guys really, really will get angry about. Okay? Butter. A little bit of butter. Okay? Don't rage at me, okay? Because I've tried to tell you a million times that I can cook with butter, and it's fine. It's totally fine. We can cook with butter. Alright? We can totally cook with butter. Alright, bit of pepper. A little bit of peps. Where's the salt at? Okay. Little bit of salt. Salt in the chat for sure. Right, we need a tiny whisk. Got my little baby whisk ready to go. Alright. Are you admiring my technique? Anybody who enjoys scrambled eggs is about to be so jealous that this is how you make it. This is fine. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. It's fine. You can pepper the raw egg. We're going to be okay. Add milk. No, I don't want milky eggs. No, 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 no. No, no, no. You guys are making bad. You really are. Now fire up the pan. Hold on. I'm gonna get you over here. I don't want you on the micro. Hold on. I can't see what you guys can see. That's the problem. What you guys? It's a bit of a I don't want creamy ones. It's raw. Well, we're not going to eat them like this, right? Do you understand? We're going to cook them. It's going to be fine. We're giving them a nice whisk. Yeah? Little whiskey whisk. Right, now we just throw it in. Oh, shit. What? There's no plate in the microwave. put it on. Hold on. Emma's been cleaning. Emma's actually been cleaning. Why would she do this?
Save me purpose.
Gordon Ramsay would go berserk over this type of scrambled eggs.
I'm almost there. Saved. Kitchen towel. Kitchen towel. This is a fucking disaster. Yes. The kitchen towel. Trying to say, this scrambled eggs is gonna be the best scrambled eggs you guys have ever seen. There it goes. Let's get rid of these old eggshells. Eggshells bad. Eggshells in here for quite some time. Alright, fork time. Alright, so what we've created, team, is this magnificence. This is all good. So now the plates, you just give it a bit of a stir. I'm so broken. These are, you're gonna be so jealous. The only issue we've got, really, is that we've got no toast. You know what I mean? It'll come back, I'm sure. Sound resumed. Yeah. Yeah, we're back. We're back. The saucepan needs cleaning as well. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh bro.
Help me subscribe.
Oh, it smells so good!
Sub and Preacherman is cooking.
It smells so good. Mmm. Oh, I've lost some egg. Come back to me, egg. And that's it, by the way. That's it. It's done. Totally done. 100%. Check it. Perfect scrambled egg. Absolutely perfect scrambled egg. Perfection. What do you mean? No, it's not dry. It's not even remotely dry.
How do you live like this?
Perfect scrambled eggs. They're not overcooked. They're not even remotely overcooked. Like, not even close to being overcooked. You are fucking shit. Oh, don't forget the headphones, Mike. We're going to need them. Not even close to being overcooked.
Absolute perfection.
He knows it. He's pretending it didn't happen. He'd
That
appreciate
is not
it if you'd
scuff.
stop bringing it up. Thank you.
Not even close. I feel sorry for the eggs.
Horror overload. How do you live like this? These are beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful.